Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. In our previous videos, we learned the basic concepts and solving of 3x3. Then we learned the easiest and unique cube, pyramids. And now we are going to start with our new tutorial, that is 2x2. I hope you understand this tutorial and do like our video. So let's get started. So if you know how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, the 2x2 is a piece of cake for you. But if you don't know, don't worry. I will today teach you how to solve it. So let's get started. So first I am going to scramble the cube. After scrambling, we have to first analyze the cube. In 3x3, like there are 3 layers, first layer, the middle layer and the last layer. Likewise in 2x2 there are 2 layers, the first one and the second one. And all the pieces in the 2x2 are the corner pieces. You know in 3x3 basic concepts. Corner pieces are the pieces which contain 3 colors, 1, 2, 3. This has no centerpiece, no edges, only it has corners. So you better understand how to solve it. So we are going in the detailed first layer. So first you can choose any color, preferably white, because in official WCA puzzles, white layer is first solved. So to do this, first we have to take any piece. So I am taking this piece at the front and assume that which piece will come next to it. So here the piece is white, blue and red. So the piece which will fit here or here will be, here the piece will be red and white, and the piece will be blue and white. So first we have to find those pieces. So I will first find the blue and white. So I got the blue and white here. So I am taking on the place of this piece which is going to be inserted. See once again, I have took this, so this came here. Now for bringing it up, we have to do the step. We have to move R, D. So you can see that piece has came here. So we have again need to take in the down layer. So the piece is now came in the down layer. So like 3x3, we have to insert it. 1, 2, 3. So here also we have to insert it. 1, 2, 3. So you can see that our 2 colors are matched and our 50% of the first layer is done. So now you have to find the next piece. So here it is orange and white. So the piece which will be fitting here is orange and white. So first find the orange and white color. Yes, I got it. Now we have to do the same step which we follow for insertion. R, U, R. So you can see that our 75% is done. Now the last piece. So we have to do same as the pieces were inserted previously. So you can see that very easily and consistently we have successfully completed the first layer of the 2x2, and your 75% of the whole cube is also solved. So great success if you are achieved this. So now we have to hold the solved layer at the down or the bottom. If you know 3x3 third layer algorithms or the last layer algorithms, This cube is pretty easy for you. But if you don't know, don't worry, I will tell you. So first we have to find a piece which is matched to the down layer. So in the 2x2 I have found one piece. You can adjust and find another pieces also. So I have found the blue, red and yellow. Blue, red, yellow. So like in 3x3 we apply the algorithm. This L U R U, L down, R U, R down. Likewise only we have to apply in the 2x2 also. So let's get started. L U R U, L down, U R down. So by doing this we can make the pieces on their appropriate places. So if you don't know this algorithm, you comment down in the comment section. I will make a special video for the letters. The letters are the R, U, L. They are the basic concepts of cubing or the Rubik's Cube. So in the 3x3 video, detailed video, I have explained it very good. So you can see that video in the description. So the 3x3 algorithm is repeated. So I will solve it and meet you. So now you can see that I have got the two lines paired. You will get this situation, or all the pieces will be at the appropriate places. I have got the line and my pieces are also at appropriate places. You have done the 99% of the cube and we have to do the last step. Like in 3x3, to insert the last corners we do R, U, R, U. Here also we have to do the same, but holding the cube like this, means white on the top and the yellow on the bottom. So let's get started. Let's R, R, U, R, U. So you can see that our line has came again and no pieces are disturbed. But our 99% of the cube is solved. So now we are like 3x3. We have to hold the white up and we have to do the algorithm R, U, R, U, R, U, R, U. You can see that our corner is inserted. Now bring another corner which we have to insert. I will show again. Bring another corner and do the following algorithm. R, U, 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 R, U. And you can see that our cube has got solved. So great achievement done by us. Sometimes in the first attempt no cube has get solved. You have to apply the RU algorithm multiple times. But I am sure that it will get solved. If you need a Hindi version of it, please do comment down. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.